think I'm very weird all around. मैं शुरू कहाँ से करूँ? हम लोग का 7 बजे का शूट होता कभी कभी, वो 6 बजे आके बैठ जाती है, मतलब जनरेटर चालू नहीं हुआ है, वैनिटी वैन्स अभी भी आ रही हैं.
But Janvi and I would go to the same school, but in the morning I would have to take another car because she would get me late every single morning.
7 बज गए, कहाँ था तू? अरे 7 बजे का तो कॉल टाइम था. खुशी 6 बजे से बैठी हुई है. करियर एडवाइस मैं इतना नहीं लेता लोगों से.
No, not even your dad?
No.
I mean, I'm fine to watch myself. I'm happy if my director's happy. That's how I feel.
I think first heartbreak is very special.
I
Very
don't even
special.
I don't even remember mine. I
You do have it.
but not to stalk.
In fact, Dad always ends any advice he gives saying that you should always follow your heart.
I'm a little competitive.
I'm very competitive और फिर भी वो हमेशा जीतती है. मैं little नहीं हूँ, बहुत competitive हूँ. तो जब Instagram आया तो वो कभी it was never a thing for me. But मैं पोएट्री लिख रहा था खुद, बहुत ही खराब वाहियात पोएट्री.
I get really hungry and my friends always tell me to pause because they want to take a picture, but I just...
कुल्लू, हाँ, कुल्लू is my favorite YouTuber.
So you think you're better in this than Maharaj?
I'll give Junaid a 10 on 10.
That's a cue for you.
मैं हूँ खुशी कपूर and I'm on Fever FM with Stuti.
मैं हूँ जुनैद खान and I'm on Fever FM with Stuti.
Hey guys, Fever FM पर मैं हूँ स्तुति and it's time to make some noise for Khushi Kapoor and Junaid Khan.
Thank you
Guys.
so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for having us.
How's it going? Nth day of promotions. Okay, अब नींद में भी करने लगे हो LOVE yappa yappa. Do you do that?
हाँ नींद में भी मैं कर सकती हूँ अभी. If you wake me up at 3 a.m. I'll still keep doing this.
I can do it badly anytime, anywhere.
Acha, Khushi and Junaid, this is not your first film, but this is the first time it'll be a theatrical release, huh? Big screen per audience reactions. You both come from families where you've seen this happen. You know what happens on a Friday when a film gets released, everything. How much prepared are you? कि क्या होगा पता है या nervous, all shit has hit the roof as they say? What's happening?
I think excited. I think क्या होगा किसी को नहीं पता. Friday को exactly क्या होगा किसी को नहीं पता.
But is that making you nervous or you're chill? You're like, nee, I'm confident.
No, I'm excited. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm excited because I feel like अब हमारे control में नहीं है. जो होना है हो जाएगा and I have faith in the film. So I don't think I want to keep an expectation in my head. I just want people to go watch it and love it. But I think I'm feeling much more prepared and much more equipped to answer questions and speak. Generally, I'm not much of a talker, which has been something I've been working on. But I think this is definitely helping me. Kind of pushing me out and being thrown into it. But it's really fun. I feel like we met some really interesting people and we've had lots of fun. We've played so many games and I think it's nice to just do this side of things as well besides the whole shooting part.
खुशी ने games बोला, खुशी has no idea कितने games हैं हमारे पास.
अरे क्योंकि वो हमेशा जीतती है.
I'm a little competitive.
I'm very competitive और फिर भी वो हमेशा जीतती है. मैं little नहीं हूँ, बहुत competitive हूँ.
Okay, this is the first, this theatrical release. So we have your first question.
Okay.
Okay. The first date. What memories?
Oh,
I don't even remember.
I don't think I've ever been on like a date.
You know there's going to be the headlining this video.
Of course you must have gone on a date.
Yeah.
Date.
Even
Like a
Khushi is not
romantic
ready
dinner
to
with
believe you.
someone.
नहीं, मतलब वो हुआ है, but it's never been like someone I don't know.
Oh, yeah, no, neither. Even I've not done that.
So it's always
Yeah.
been
So
like
no blind dates, no,
No,
like.
never.
romances have
never.
always blossomed from already knowing somebody and like
Yeah.
Nice.
building
No,
a
that's fair. Same
relationship.
for me.
Okay. Your first heartbreak?
What would you like to know about it?
How bad? How good?
I mean, it always seems like the end of the world in the moment, but then you grow up and you're
Yeah.
like, oh, that.
We were just
was-
discussing
I
that.
think first heartbreak is very special.
I
Very
don't even
special.
I don't even
बिल्कुल।
remember mine.
नहीं, मुझे अच्छे से याद है. मैं कमरे में बैठ के days on end मैं रोता था. पोएट्री लिख रहा था मैं.
उफ, और कौन से गाने सुन रहे थे?
गाने तो सुन रहा था मैं, बट मैं पोएट्री लिख रहा था खुद. बहुत ही खराब वाहियात पोएट्री. I must have been 16 or something.
Cute. Who was your first crush? Anyone popular?
I think Hrithik Roshan.
Hrithik was your first?
No, I don't think anyone popular.
Nobody.
People,
No film star you crushed on.
not really.
Love or loathe? Okay, हम जो बोलेंगे सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे और जल्दी बोलेंगे. Love it or loathe it when someone proposes in front of a crowd.
Loathe it.
Load.
Matching tattoos with a partner.
Load.
Love it.
Load.
Nice.
I mean, I have like hundreds. So
But matching with a partner. I want nothing against tattoos per se.
it's fine. I have matching with my sister was matching with a
Haan,
partner.
but okay.
Okay.
Partner will be lifelong only, so as the tattoo should be.
Haan.
Nice. Okay. Sending handwritten love letters.
Love
Love.
it.
Celebrating month anniversaries.
ज़्यादा हो गया.
Wearing matching outfits on a date. Like matching colors.
Sweet, like it.
मतलब अगर accident से हो गया तो ठीक है, but planning it is a bit much.
I love it. Okay. I love where this is going. Okay. Calling each other by cute pet names.
Cute.
Love.
Love it.
Babu, Shona is all cute. Okay.
Babu Shona, I don't know. But
नहीं जो whatever floats your boat, but love.
Okay. Taking couple selfies everywhere you go.
not everywhere.
Replying K to a long text.
Love.
This K also, if you get from Junaid, is a big deal.
Oh my God, Jeanette.
The other day, he told me replying a thumbs up to like a big heartful
You know,
message.
it's so passive aggressive.
He said, "Oh, but thumbs up means like
I got
good."
it. Na, हाँ. Cool.
And you can't message your partner a thumbs up after they've sent you a very heartfelt note. It's very rude. If I get a thumbs up
are
or
you
a
training
K,
him? Are you telling him?
I'm
what-
trying to. I taught him what sliding into DMs mean also.
Calling instead of texting.
Love.
I'm good either way.
You're good either way. You're not get hyper with
Calls? No, I'm
I
fine
always
either
prefer
way.
it.
Posting everything you eat. Like first clicking and then eating.
No, I get really hungry, and my friends always tell me to pause because they want to take a picture, but I just
Okay, creating a private account to stalk on Instagram.
Load.
ये तो
I don't
you do have it.
but not to stalk. I have one with like 10 of my friends following me, and I post random.
Okay, it's a private account.
Yeah.
We can't find it.
No.
Should we try?
Every month I change the username
Look
also.
at her. And look at you.
She told me what
She
a
changes
Finsta was.
username and
Yeah,
you have
Insta
not.
account.
She explained to me what a Finsta account is.
You have only your close friends on it. You can post any random things and funny captions.
Okay. Why do you not have an Instagram account?
I don't know. I was never.
Has the PR team not told him कि एक account बनाइए because आपको
But it's
tag
good that he's
करना है?
true to himself.
अरे,
I like that
they
he's
keep
not
bribing
been swayed.
journalists to tell me also.
No, nobody bribed me. I wish they
Are
did.
you sure?
Ah, I tell you. But you don't feel like that's something that is not, I mean, it's no longer even a luxury, like one has to do it.
नहीं मतलब मैंने it's never been something that attracted me. You know, I've been asked this a lot. तो whatever. The only thing I can come conclude is क्योंकि मैं photos लेता नहीं, तो जब Instagram आया तो वो कभी it was never a thing for me. जब मैं कॉलेज में था मेरा Facebook अकाउंट था जो अभी भी है. पर तब सोशल मीडिया भी अलग होता था.
Okay. Now, we want to play something called the Sociapa.
जी.
Okay, do not make me pronounce this again.
Sociapa.
I've said it once, okay? I need you to pick two of these social media platforms and I'm going to ask a question related to that.
Okay.
Okay? So there's Reddit, Bumble, Instagram, YouTube, Spotify,
Instagram,
Instagram and?
YouTube.
Okay, YouTube and Instagram. Who's the last person you stalked on Instagram and why?
I don't know. I'll have to see. I don't know who I've stalked.
You,
So I've been getting looks together for the promotion, so I keep going on fashion pages. So probably one of those designers or something.
nice. And do you follow Diet Sabya? Do you care
I do.
what
I
he-
do. It's just nice to be up to date of what's happening.
And he likes a lot of your, he or she has praised your looks. Does that
It's
feel like
nice,
good validation?
It's nice. Yeah.
Okay, so this was Instagram and you said YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay. If you could collaborate with any one YouTuber, who would it be?
Maybe my best friend Alia, because she
Ah,
makes YouTube
yes.
videos, and I feel like I'd be in a very comfortable space. Or even Sakshi and Karima, for that matter. I feel like that'd be fun.
Nice. Okay. Choose two. You're not on many, but
I've used YouTube, so I guess.
a YouTube question.
Yeah. I'm not
Who's your favorite YouTuber?
YouTuber नहीं मतलब मैं videos
किसके videos देखते हो आप?
मतलब
Say
film के
Kullu.
trailers.
Say Kullu. Say Kullu.
Kullu, हाँ. Kullu is my favorite YouTuber. Yeah, I
Kullu,
need like
I love
help
it.
over here.
Okay. And which other
I don't know. I've not used.
Reddit? Have you checked out Reddit?
I have used Reddit. Yes.
Unfortunately.
What is one random or weird fact about yourself that you think will go viral on Reddit?
Oh. How do things go viral on Reddit? Isn't it like
Okay, tell me a weird thing about you that people don't know. Weird or strange or unique.
I think I'm very weird all around. मैं शुरू कहाँ से करूँ?
Do you have a hobby that we don't know about? Do you?
I play a lot of chess. I don't know. Does
Oh, that's
that count?
nice. Are you good at it?
I'm not bad.
You want to help him out? You've worked with him. Is there something that you feel people don't know about him?
Maybe a coffee addiction.
Yeah, perhaps.
Not bad. Now, Khushi is my friend here in this interview. Okay. And what about anything about her that you think people don't know about and should?
She's always early for things.
That's a good thing.
Yeah, but being 10-15 minutes early for things is great. She comes 1 hour early and on.
Like
हम लोग का
half an
7
hour
बजे का
early.
शूट होता है कभी-कभी वो 6 बजे आके बैठ जाती है
नहीं, I'll
मतलब
come at
जनरेटर
6:30.
चालू नहीं हुआ है वैनिटी वैन्स अभी भी आ रही हैं
But
खुशी
To
वहाँ
be
पहुंच
fair,
गई है।
I'll reach half an hour early before my team, but I won't tell anyone that I'm there because I don't want to rush anyone else. I just want to be on time for me, and
That
for me,
is
on
so
time
nice.
is early.
Is this professionalism what
I've
you
just been
inherit?
traumatized by my family because I've missed a lot of flights as a child. So now it's engraved in me.
I love it.
Janvi and I would go to the same school, but in the morning I would have to take another car because she would get me late every single morning. So now I just have this very stressful nerve with time, and I always just need to be on time, otherwise I start freaking out.
Yeah, but on time is fine. 10-15 minutes early is fine. She comes like 1 hour early.
I'll
and
come
all, yeah.
early, I'll take rounds, I'll
That's a
wait
good
in my
thing.
car.
अरे हम लोग अच्छे बच्चों को गाली पड़ती है 7 बज गए कहाँ था तू मैंने, अरे 7 बजे का तो कॉल टाइम था खुशी 6 बजे से बैठी हुई है
किससे advice लेते हो?
About
The kind of films you're going to do, about career advice.
career advice मैं इतना नहीं लेता लोगों से
No, not even your dad.
No.
वो बिना पूछे भी बताते होंगे.
वो बिना पूछे इतना नहीं बताते
Okay.
I go to dad if I have any specific technical advice that I want to do,
Okay, like
but not general career
to deal with a
advice.
particular emotion
Situation.
or
no, to deal with a particular situation or yeah, but general career advice मैं नहीं लेता normally.
what about you?
I think probably Dad and Janvi.
Yeah.
Yeah, for everything.
And who can veto?
But both. I like for them to approve of everything. Of course, I have my own
Yeah.
opinion and instinct with things, but I like knowing that we're all on the same page with certain things. So it'll always be an open discussion, and everyone will share feelings. But I like to just get their blessing on everything first.
You know, I think it's so adorable. I've interviewed Janvi, and she every time you ask her a question about you, her eyes will just light up, and she'll say, "Oh, she's far more mature than me," and I listen to her. And you know, right now you talking about Janvi. Of course, sisters, the bond is very strong. You both are now going to be part of the industry. You want to do a film together.
No, that'll be so fun. I feel like we've talked about it as well. And I think it'll be so fun. We keep like brewing stories in our heads of, oh, if we do a movie, it should look like this, and we should do something like this. So I think one day, hopefully, that'll happen.
Tell
for
us a film that you both see yourself.
No, we'll make it and you'll
Oh!
watch it.
I think it's clearly in the making because
No. But yeah, it's always a fun thought.
जैसे हमारे parents, you know, sometimes you want to rebel. Whatever they say, you're like, I don't want to do this.
I
Does
don't
that
think we
happen?
ever could rebel. In the sense they always let us do what we wanted. They were always encouraging us to explore, do our own thing. I mean, they're always supportive and there for us whenever we needed their advice on anything. personal or professional. But they've always been very encouraging of us to do our own thing. In fact, Dad always ends any advice he gives saying that you should always follow your heart.
Okay, we're almost at the end of this. Okay, before the film releases and then the reviews come out, I want you to review your performance. How much will you rate yourself? Tell us that.
I don't know. I don't know how to rate myself.
Okay.
It's hard to watch yourself objectively and be a good judge of things because obviously your perspective is skewed. So
Is it easy for you to watch yourself?
I mean, I don't go and keep looking at the monitor unless I'm asked to do it by my director because I feel like I don't want to get into my own head. So, I mean, I'm fine to watch myself. I'm happy if my director's happy. That's how I feel. So, I think you should ask Advait and not
Yeah.
me.
What about you?
6.5 on 10 maybe?
Yeah? You shot Maharaj before this?
Much before. 2 years before.
Yeah? So you think you're better in this than Maharaj?
I'll give Junaid a 10 on 10.
That's a cue for you to please.
No, Khushi has done fantastic work and she's going to be a huge star. आपको वो आइडिया नहीं है वो बहुत बड़ी स्टार बनने वाली है
क्या बात है. But this was a lot of fun. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And we wish you all the best and hope to see you back for more interviews with Junaid Singh और सवाल पूछो to the PR.
हाँ हाँ
Thank
कोई
you
आपको
guys.
बोल रहा है क्या रैप अप करने
नहीं.
मत सुनो